Look at that sexy little talon, bro. She dirty right now. She gonna get cleaned up. Alright guys, so update on the new project. Pretty easy fix. Problems is we have a rusted gas tank that we need to fix and hopefully replace. It's really rusted inside and it's got multiple problems. One, the clutch switch went out, so I bypassed it, and to do that is you just disconnect it and tie something up like that, like this is just a piece of wire, and the switch for the actual starter cylinder was bad, so I took it apart, cleaned it up, and she fires right up now. So check it out. Clutch switch is bypassed and it is neutral, and I'm gonna crank it for you. Rough performance, already know. But yeah guys, if you're having trouble with this is the 04 GSXR 1000, check your clutch switch, check your kickstand switch, and make sure your little switches are working. So easy fixes that can cause big problems. No start issues, lots of problems. If you want to see a tutorial, Revzilla has some of the best tutorials out there. I'm not even going to bother making one because I can just say Revzilla 100%. Y'all go check him out.